were selected because they believed we had something that we would do for our state. We have not been given the opportunity to do those things that we ought to do for our state. We've had a lot of distraction, but I strongly believe that while we navigate the path of peace, prayer is also needed for us to pass over this phase. Does God give you a gift or a blessing and add sorrow to it? So when you say, when I look at your faces, how happy you are, even when I feel heavy in my spirit, I'm encouraged to be happy. That is how I feel. It has not been easy, I can say it. A lot of people who started this journey with us ought to have been here with us, but unfortunately, they are not here. God knows why. We can't question the Almighty. But one thing that we can't take away, God does not make any mistake. Whatever happens, when it happens, is for a purpose.